Yes, now we are discussing about busy streets in Philippines. In Philippines, busy streets in the Philippines are a mix of vibrant chaos and cultural energy. Here is what you might find. Japanese and tricycles. The iconic Japanese, colorfully decorated with graffiti-like designs, are always packed with passengers. Tricycles, motorbikes with sidecars, zip in and out of traffic, often squeezing through tight gaps. Next is street vendors. On the sidewalks, you will find stalls selling everything from street food to clothing and electronics. The smell of grilled meat and fried snacks fills the air. Next is crowds of people. The streets are often bustling. The people going about their daily routines, commutes, rushing to work, students in uniforms, and pedestrians strolling by. And next is hustling and bustling markets. Near public markets like Divisoria and Cupo in Manila, you will see dense crowds, chaotic traffic, and endless stalls selling cheap goods. Next point is traffic jams. Traffic is a constant feature in urban areas like Metro Manila, Cebu, and Davao. Vehicles crawl slowly due to congestion, especially during rush hours. Next point is skyline and billboards. In cities, towering buildings and massive LED billboards display colorful advertisements, while local shops, convenience stores, and eateries line the streets. Next point is noise and activity. The cacophony of Hong Kong horns, shouting vendors, music blaring from stores, and conversations in Tagalog or regional languages adds to the energy of the improved environment. Next is these busy streets capture the lively, fast-paced nature of life in the Philippines. This is the information regarding busy streets in Philippines. It is also very attractive and memorable also. Wishing you all the best.